Hello, my lovely people. This your boy, one Blaze Sewell once again, with another one. Today we will be talking about the so-called love game. Why is it? So many people claim that they are in love, and they are doing the opposite. Jean lived with her man. They have one child. There is rumors in the community that the child is not his own. They quarreled about it regular. He felt insecure with his partner. His friends were influencing him to get out of the relationship. He was confused. One day he went to the gym to do his regular exercise. He met a young lady. They became acquainted. They would meet at the gym to work out after work. Eventually they got involved sexually. Jean had suspected that he was seeing someone else, but she couldn't prove it. The day after Valentine's Day, which was Jean's birthday, she made arrangement to go to the movie with her man, the one she had been secretly seeing. After the movie, they planned to go to a hotel and spend the night. Jean and her lover were heading toward a hotel. They were talking about the movie. The movie was lovely, Jean said. I liked the storylines, he said. Then the argument took another direction. Look at that car at the stoplight, Jean shouted. That car resembles the one her hubby drive. She looked at the car properly, and then she said to her companion, look at that car. It looks like Dave's own. Is it? What on earth is he doing down here? He asked. Jean replied. Abrupt, you are asking the wrong person that question. Minutes later, Dave's car took a right turn into a block of flats while they proceed to the hotel. When they arrived there, they identified themselves to the receptionist who gave them the key for their room, which was pre-booked, and talked. For a short time, then he suggested that they should go to a local nightclub. She agreed. They got dressed, on the way heading towards the lobby to exit from the hotel. For the nightclub, when they got to the lobby, they were heading for the main entrance. Guess what? Dave and a female companion were at the reception collecting a key for their room. As Dave looked up, his eyes and Jean's eyes made four. Both were surprised to see each other. What are you doing here? He asked. She also asked him the same question. Before Jean could answer Dave, he asked, who is that man? Now check this out. We want women to love and respect us. But we treat them bad and disrespectful. We all need each other, and we should appreciate them and give them the love and respect them deserve. No woman could surface this earth without a man, and vice versa, no man can surface without a woman. You can't plant corns and expect to reap beans. You can't find gold in the toilet, you would only find human waste. Be careful of what you are doing. Trust me, one day it will come back to you. In other words, don't look for good. If you don't do good what you sow, you shall surely reap it. Doesn't matter how clever one is, and how much he can pretend, one day his true color will come out. Love is like a baby. First it born, second it cries, third it laughs, then it growth into an adult, and it became difficult to force against its will. You cannot fly into love. It has to grow from one stage to another. I have seen celebrities, movie stars, and professors misuse the word love and suffer the consequences. Some even commit suicide or get killed by the person or persons they once professed to love, and that is the total opposite to love. He was cheating on her, and she was doing the same thing. What kind of life is that? I think it would be better if they go their separate ways and stop live in denial. Once you are not happy with your partner anymore, you shouldn't pretend. It is easier to see the person officially and tell him how you felt about the situation. Just imagine how many things they wanted to tell each other, and no one wanted to make the first move. Picture this, if they didn't caught red-handed at the hotel lobby. One of them one day would finally confess what they were doing. Then the other person would probably say, you weren't alone, my dear, I was doing the same thing too. Personally, I don't think anyone should get even with their partner and cheat back on them. That only turn a good person into a bad person, and it doesn't justify anything at all. The best things to do is either forgive him, her, and move on, or ask him, her to leave and find someone who can love and respect you.